back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shauna the MUA, and today I will be reviewing the new Studio Fix Tech from MAC Cosmetics. This is the shade NC47. It is a cream to powder foundation. If you guys know MAC Cosmetics, they did have Studio Tech, which was a cream to powder as well. Now you might be asking yourself, what's the difference between this and the last one? Well, this is a new formula, is Studio Fix Tech. The brand description is it's a lightweight, sweat and humidity resistant foundation and a transformative texture that provides medium to buildable coverage with a natural matte finish. It's a tri-system blend of water, emollients, and powder. Glides onto the skin a soft, creamy emulsion with a lightweight, transformative texture. The innovative sweat and humidity-resistant formula provides medium to buildable coverage, allowing for your true skin to show through. Its light diffusing properties, soften lines to create a fresh, flawless texture for all skin types. This formula also delivers immediate and long-term moisturization with 12-hour wear and won't cause acne. And it comes in 42 inclusive shades. Now, I know back in the day, Studio Tech used to be a little funky with the shades. It always used to run dark. As you can see, this one is NC47. This is a compact. It does have a sponge at the bottom. I never really use the sponge. If you do want full-on coverage, then yes, you can use the sponge. I'm not going to use that today. I am going to use a regular brush. I'll probably use like a dense brush like this. So first we're just going to prime the skin. So I am going to use the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, just to go ahead and prime my skin for this. And I'm hoping this is my shade. I did go out in the sun, so I might be slightly darker. So let's go ahead and put this to the test, shall we? Now you definitely want to keep this compact closed because it is a cream. You don't want it to dry out. So I'm just taking my brush and dabbing it like this. And I am going to streak it like this so that you can see the shade closer. The shade is looking about right. If I'm not tan, that's the problem. We are in spring, so I am out in the sun a little bit more. I think I might have to do like NC50. Usually I do wear NC47 or 46 in the Studio Fix Fluid. I'm surprised that this runs probably a little bit lighter. But so far it's gliding on good. I typically like full coverage, so I'm just going to go over certain areas to build it. I'm just going to do my forehead. I'm probably going to end up using a darker powder just because I think this might be a little light. If I tan anymore, this will definitely not work for me. So that's right now it's going on. It glided on very smoothly. It is buildable. I will say it gives a natural finish as it stated. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more just because I like coverage. So I'm just adding a little bit more in certain areas. And I'm pretty sure I'll have to touch up later just because I have to put on a mask later on. But so far, so good. I'm liking the coverage, okay? So now I'm just going to finish off my face. So I am going to use Fenty Beauty. This is in the concealer 370. And then I'm going to go in with a little lighter. I'm gonna try this new e.l.f. This one is the Flawless Brightening Concealer. I had bought the wrong shade before, which was medium. So this one I believe is tan. Yeah. I hate these things that you have to put because they take literally forever to come out. Alright, finally. So tan definitely looks like it's tan. It's not as brightening as I would want it, but we're gonna use what we got. So I am just blending that out. You guys already seen this routine 1,000 times. So I'm just going to finish my skin off camera just to save some time. And then I'll do a quick eye look and give my final thoughts. Alright you guys, so I am back. I got my completed look. And I will say, on camera, don't mind because my lighting might be a little bit bright right now, but the shade does fit my complexion. Again, this is the NC47, which is typically what I usually wear in the Studio Fix Fluid. I typically have to mix my foundation, so NC46, NC47 is typically what I wear in the liquid. I was trying to see if I have it. So yeah, NC47 is what I wear in the liquid. So right now it does fit my skin tone, it matches my neck. I'm just a little worried when I do get tan, then I will need something darker. But overall, I like the finish. It is more so of a natural matte finish. I don't feel greasy. It is very lightweight. I don't feel like I have on tons of makeup. It feels very skin-like. Again, it all depends on how much you put on as well, but it is buildable. And me personally, I don't think it's something that's going to be cakey because of how it feels right now. It feels fine. As far as the sweat resistance and water resistance and all those claims, I'm going to have to wear it throughout the day. I will have on the mask in another hour. So I'll see how it holds up as far as putting on and off a mask. But overall, right now, I'm loving the coverage. I think it retails for maybe $35 or so. So it's definitely, you know, a little bit different from Studio Tech. I feel like Studio Tech was more drying. This has more of a velvet-like texture, not so drying as Studio Tech. So they definitely changed the formula, as I mentioned before. So if you guys try it out, comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Follow me on Instagram, Shauna the MUA, and at SLR Beauty. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. I'll keep you posted if something changes with this makeup. I'll also, you know, post this on Instagram and give my honest review after wearing it for a couple hours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe. Again, thanks for checking this video out. And bye guys.